Okay, so we will begin our discussion with the week 2 topic, which is the number system. So at the end of the discussion, you students will be able to introduce the number system. So we have a different number system use. Familiarize the conversion of those number system. We have the base of 2, the base of 8, the base of 10. We have also the base of 7. Yan, to determine these steps on how to convert the number system to different bases. Okay, so let's begin with the definition of the number system. So in mathematics, a number system is one or more operation that can perform like addition and multiplication. So in number system, we have also the bit and the byte. So bit, that is the binary digit. A binary digit that is called a bit. We have 1 and 0, that is a bit. So if we're going to combine those 1 and 0, so that will become a byte. So that is a series of 8 bits strung together makes a byte. So that is a byte. So a byte is larger than a bit. So we have here the types of the number system. So binary. Yeah, so the first one is binary. There can only be two choices for this number. It's either a 0 or a 1. So pag binary, dalawa lang dapat ha. Dalawa lang yung input mo. It's either a 0 or a 1. Then we have also the decimal. So there are 10 okay, decimal, there are 10 different numbers that can either be from 0 to 9. So nag-start siya sa 0 up to 9. So we can combine different numbers to form a decimal. So that is a decimal. So it's composed of 10 digit. That is from 0 to 9. So it can be 11, 22, 33, ayan, 567. So those are decimal. So the base is 10. Yun yung nasa baba niya. So binary naman, the base is 2. So octal, this is a base of 7. So it is composed of 0 to 7. So 0 to 7, it has 8 possible outcome. We have 0 up to 7 only. So pag 88 na yan or 78, hindi na siya octal. Decimal na yon. So we have 0 up to 7 only. So that is octal. And then for hexadecimal, so it allows 16 numbers. So 16 numbers, that is from 0 to 9. It's just like combination of decimal combined with letters from A to F. Yun lang yung pagkakaiba niya doon sa decimal. Meron siyang letters from A to F because in decimal, it only accepts 9 digits. Dito naman sa hexa, meron tayong A, B, C, D, E, and F. Yung A, that is counted as 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. Ayan. So, correction, parang nabanggit ko yata kanina, base of 7. Base of 8 yung ating octal ha. Base of 8. Then, for the hexadecimal, that is base of 16. So, those are the types of the number system. So, again, we have the binary or in simple term, that is base of 2. Pag decimal naman, base of 10. Pag octal, that is base of 8. And hexadecimal, that is base of 16. So we have four types. Okay, so this is the conversion table of the number system. So as you can see, we have 0 and 1, 0, 1 for the base of 2. Ayan, so ito na yung gagamitin natin. Okay, so to convert a binary, so we have here different way. We can convert a binary into decimal, as well as binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. So pwede i-convert isa-isa yung binary papunta sa iba't ibang number system. Same with the decimal. So the decimal can be converted into binary, into octal, or into hexadecimal. Same with also with octal. So, sa octal, pwede mo rin siyang i-convert into binary, into decimal, into hexadecimal. And same with the hexadecimal. So, sa hexadecimal, you can convert the hexadecimal numbers into binary, into decimal, and into octal. Ayan. So here is the representation of the binary number. So let's assume na merong tigwa 1 yan ha. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So if we're going to convert that into decimal, kukunin natin yung equivalent niya. So the first one, or 1 way 2 raised to 0. So 2 raised to 0, that is equal to 1. So 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So any number that is raised to 0 is equal to 1. And then next to that, we have 2. So 2 raised to 1, that is 2. So 1, 2, 4, parang i-double-double mo lang siya para makuha mo yung equivalent niya into binary. So pag 0 yun, wala siyang value. So we have just like 1, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 again is 8, then 8 plus 8, 16, then 16 plus 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and so on. So that is the representation of binary number. So how about the conversion? So binary to any number system. So how are we going to convert? So to convert binary to decimal, we will follow the steps. So here are the steps. The first one is plot the given number in a table following the number of number system. As yun. So, ipa-plot mo daw. So, gumawa ka ng ganitong table. Tapos, i-plot mo yan yung may 0, yung may 1. Then, add the value from right to left at the position that are represented by 1s. Yan. I-add mo yung value na may 1. And then add the base 2 in the final answer. After that, just add the base 2 in the final answer. Okay, so let's try this one. So convert 101001 to decimal or to base of 10. So kunin muna natin yung equivalent ng bawat binary digit into decimal. So we have may 1 dyan, 1. Okay, we have here the decimal equivalent of, or the decimal equivalent of each binary is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. So, yan yung equivalent niya. Pero, i-consider natin yung given. The given are 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So, ipa-plot natin ngayon yung binary. So, we have 1, 1. Ito yun ha. 1, 1. So, mag-start tayo sa right. 1, 1. And then we have 0, 0. So you just plot 0, 0. And then again, 1, then 0, and 1. So, hanggang dyan lang tayo. Wala dito, wala na dito. So, ngayon, ang gagawin nyo, kunin nyo lahat ng may value ng 1. So, ano ba yung mga may value ng 1? Meron tayong 1, 2, 16, and 64. So, after getting that one, you have to add the values. So just add 64 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1 to make it 83. So the answer is 83 base of 10. So therefore, 10100011 is equal to 83 base of 10. So kung kaya nyo naman i-mental, pwede lang naman. For example, ito, 1, 2, tapos wala naman siya. Pero kasama pa rin, huwag nyo i-skip yung value niya. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 meron. So, 16. 32, wala. Tapos, 64. Tapos ngayon, i-add mo ngayon yung mga may value na yon para makuha mo yung 83 base of 10. So, therefore, the equivalent of 10100011 is 83 base of 10. Okay? Okay, so let's proceed with pareho lang naman yung PowerPoint natin. Okay, so that's how we convert the binary to decimal. Okay, so to convert binary to decimal, follow this step. So sabi diyan, so convert 101011 to decimal base of 10. So ito medyo long method siya. No need to solve just like this one. Kahit hindi nyo na siya isolve na ganito. So another way to convert is to directly get the nth power of binary number, then add all the decimal number to get the final result. So ito kasi medyo matrabaho po. Okay? So kukunin mo daw yung nth power. So this is, the first one is 2 raised to 0. Then the other one is 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, and 2 raised to 6. Ayan. To make it 83. So, kung ano yung mas madali sa inyo, yun yung sundan ninyo. So, kung mas madali ito na lang yung sundan ninyo. Okay, so to convert a binary to octal, dito naman na tayo sa octal, we will follow these steps. Group the given binary na value into 3 starting from right. So, i-group lang daw natin yung binary into 3. Hindi into 4 ha, 3 kasi octal siya. Note that you have to pad the digits to 3 in order to meet the requirements of 3 per group. So, for example, doon sa last digit, 1 lang yung natira, ang gagawin mo, kailangan mong mag-add ng 2 bit para makompleto mo yung requirements na 3 bit. Then, add 4, 2, and 1 underneath each binary number per group. Then, add the total, the octal value of the number system represents by 1s. So, for example, we have convert 10100011 to octal or base of 8. So, how are we going to convert this one? Sabi kanina, you have to group this into 3. So, 110, isang group. 010, isang group. Then, 1, mag-add ka na lang ng 2 0 here. So, what is the equivalent of 110? Ang equivalent ng 110 is 3. This is 1 and 2. That is equal to 3. So, 3 yung isang digit ng octal. And then, the other one is 010. 010 is equal to 2. So, we have 2 and 3. And then, we have 1. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So the answer is 123 base of 8. So para mas maintindihan niyo, ito yon. So group the given binary value into 3 is starting from right. So ayan yun. I-group daw natin. Dito sa right ha, right. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. And then another, then 1. Note that we have to left pad the value to 3, therefore the group value is, so ayun, sabi ko kanina, you have to add, uh, you have to add bits para makompleto mo yung requirement na 3-bit. Yan. So, after grouping, we have 1, 1, 0, first group, 0, 1, 0, second group, 1, 0, 0, third group. And then, add 4, 2, and 1 underneath the value. Add 4, 2, and 1. Bakit 4, 2, and 1? Kasi 3-bit lang siya. 4, we have 1, yung first bit, second, 2, and 4. Kaya 4, 2, and 1. So, para hindi na kayo malito, i-disregard nyo na lang yan. Kunin nyo na lang agad yung equivalent ng bawat bit, 3-bit, into octal. So, just like this one, what is the equivalent of 110? 110 is 1 plus 2, that is 3. How about this one? 010, the equivalent of that is 2. And then the equivalent of 001 is 1. So the answer is 123 base of 8. So the answer is that the conversion of 10, base of 2 is 123 base of 8. Basta lagi niyong tatandaan na kapag octal yan, hindi siya magkakaroon ng digit na mas mataas sa 7. Ang base niya ay 8. So, ibig sabihin, dapat walang 8 dito mag-a-appear. Wala ring 9. Hanggang 7 lang. Okay? So, let's proceed to convert binary to octal. Follow the steps below. So, a shortcut version of converting binary to octal is group the given binary number to 3 starting right. Then, add all raised value that is equivalent to 1. The raised power is 4 to 1 to complete the 8 values of octal including 0. So, parang ganun lang din naman yung process niya. Kukunin mo lang yung equivalent lahat ng may 1. So, no need to get the equivalent those with zeros. So, ayan. Kaya yung sagot natin ay 1, 2, 3. So, kinuha lang yan. 3-bit lang naman, kaya madali lang i-identify yung equivalent niya in octal. So, 1, 1, 0, that is equal to 3, 0, 1, 0, that is equal to 2, and 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, how about in converting a binary to hexadecimal? So, parang ganito lang din yung steps niya sa octal. Ang pagkakaiba lang niya, instead of 3-bit, we will be using 4 bits. So, group the given binary value into 4 starting from right. So, note that you have to pad the digits to 4 in order to meet the requirements of 4 per group. So, that is the requirements. It should be 4-bit. Then, add 8, 4, 2, 1 underneath each binary number per group. Add the hexadecimal value of a number system represented by ones. Then convert. Example, we have 101, 1010011 to hexadecimal or base of 8. So, ang gagawin muna ninyo ay you need to group this into 4. So, we have, mag-start tayo sa right. 1, 1, 0, 0. So, ito yung first group ng 4. And then 1, 0, 1. Then, mag-add lang tayo ng 0 dito. Another group of 4. So, what is the equivalent of this? 1, 1, 0, 0. Yan. So, ang equivalent niya is 3. Dito naman tayo, 1, 2, 4. This is 5. Let's try, let's see if it is 53. Okay, so the answer is 53. So, ito na yung explanation. Step 1. Group the binary, given binary value into 4 is starting from right. So, yun, sabi ko kanina, you have to group. So, nakagroup na siya. Note that we have to left pad the value to 4. Therefore, the group value is, ayan, so nakagroup na siya. 1, 1, 0, 0. Then, 1, 0, 1, 0. Ayan. Then, step 2. Add 8, 4, 2, and 1. Bakit 8, 4, 2, and 1 lang? Kasi 4-bit siya. Yung 4-bit na yon meron siyang value na 8, 4, 2, and 1. So, lahat ng may 1, yun lang yung kukunin mo yung value niya. Then, add all hexadecimal value where the number is ones. Note, all text in red in step 2 are the hexadecimal value. So, here, ang may value lang is etong may 1, 1. So, 1, 1, we have 1 and 2, kaya 3 yun. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then, dito naman, 1, 2, 4. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. That's why we have 5 here. So, the answer now is 53. So, instead of base of 8, kasi base of 8, that is octal, 16 ang gagamitin natin kasi hexadecimal yung ginamit nating conversion of binary. So, binary to hexadecimal. So, that's how we convert a binary to hexadecimal. Okay, how about this one? So, to convert decimal, dito na tayo sa decimal conversion. So, we're done with binary. So, ulitin natin ha. So, sa binary, kukunin mo lang yung weight niya para ma-convert mo siya into decimal. Yan. Yung weight niya. So, eto. Kunin mo lang daw. At kunin mo lahat ng may ones. And then you have to add. So, pag i-convert mo naman yung binary into octal, you have to group into 3-bit and then get the weight of each with ones. Then, add. And the base should be 8 since that is octal. Then, for hexadecimal, you have to group into 4. Then, get its weight. You add the value with ones and then use base of 16. So that is converting binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so let's proceed with conversion of decimal to any number system. Okay, so write the decimal number as the dividend. Then add a slash. Ayan, slash ganyan. And write the base of the destination system. So in our case, since that is decimal to binary, so we will be using 2 for binary. So 2, that is for 1 and 0 as the divisor outside the curve of the division symbol. So divide the decimal number to the binary number and write the remainder as 0 or 1. So pag may remainder siya, that is 1. Pag walang remainder, that is 0. Continue to divide until you reach the last digit. So, hanggang ma-reach mo yung 0. Then, read the remainder upward from bottom to top. So, mag-i-start ka sa bottom, pataas. And then, in converting decimal to binary, every remainder that is greater than 0 is considered 1. So, basta mayroong remainder na 0.5, that is equal to 1. Kasi 0.5 times 2 is equal to 1. So, yun yung nagiging binary bit natin. Since binary only accept two values, which is 0 and 1. Okay, so here, the example, convert 206 to binary base of 2. So, 206, we have to divide it by 2. 206 divided by 2 is 103. So, wala siyang remainder. Ngayon, yung quotient natin, kunin natin ngayon, i-divide ulit natin sa 2. So, 51.5. So, meaning may 0.5. Ibig sabihin may remainder yan. Ngayon, kunin mo na lang yung 51. Sa 51, divide mo ulit sa 2. 25.5. So, may 0.5 ulit. So, may remainder na 1. Then, kunin mo ulit si 25. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. So, 1 ulit. Then, kunin mo ulit si 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, 6. Wala siyang remainder. So, we will just put 0. Then, 6. Kunin mo si 6. You have to divide it by 2. The answer is 3. Then, the remainder is 0. So, dito pa lang kapag may point or wala, dito mo ma-identify kung ang bit is 0 or 1. Then, 3 divided by 2. So, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So, 0.5. Nakalimutan niya yung 0.5 dito. So, 0.5. So, that is remainder with remainder 1. Then 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So 0.5, that is the remainder. The remainder is 1. So since 0 yan, so if we're going to divide 0 by 2, ang sagot pa rin is 0. So after that, we will read the data from bottom to top. Okay, so we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So that is now the equivalent of decimal 206 to binary. Okay, so this is the answer. 206 base of 10 is equal to 1100, 1110 base of 2. Okay, so let's proceed with converting decimal to octal. So we will just follow these steps. Divide the given decimal value to 8 until we reach 0 value. So it's just like converting a decimal into binary. So but instead of using 2 in binary, we will be using 8 for octal. So to get the remainder, multiple the quotient by 8 minus the given number. So the result from the subtraction is the remainder. Then read the values upward. Okay, so just like this one. 206 daw, i-divide mo sa 8. So the answer is 25.75. Then, kunin mo si 25. So, 25 times 8 is equal to 200. So, kunin mo ngayon yung original value na 206. I-subtract mo ngayon kay 200. So, to make it 6. So, therefore, the remainder is 6. And then, 25 divided by 8, the answer is 3.125. Ngayon, yung 3 na yon, you multiply by 8, so the result is 24. So, isubtract naman ngayon natin si 25 doon sa 24 na nakuha natin. So, the remainder is 1. And then, 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. So, 0.375 times 8 is equal to 5. So, we will subtract 8 by 5. So, the result is 3. And then after that, we will just get the remainder. We will start from the bottom. We have 3, 1, and 6. Ayan. And 206 base of 10 is equal to 316 base of 8. So that's how we convert a decimal into octal. And to convert decimal to hexadecimal, doon naman tayo sa hexadecimal, divide the given value to 16 until we reach 0 value. So parang pareho lang yung process niya sa octal, sa binary. Kaya lang nagbabago lang yung ginagamit natin na pinagdi-divide. So instead of 2, instead of 8, gagamit tayo ng 16 for hexadecimal. To get the remainder, multiply the quotient by 16 minus the given number. Then the result from the subtraction is the remainder. Then read the values upwards. So it's still the same process. Ayan. So convert 206 hexadecimal or the base of 16 into hexadecimal. Divide the decimal value to 16. So this is a correction ha. It should be 16. So 206 is divide by 16. The answer is 12.875. Ngayon kunin mo yung 12 na nakuha mo, multiply mo by 16, the result is 192. I-subtract mo ngayon si 206 sa 192. So para makuha mo yung remainder, so the result is 6. And then, the remainder is 14. Then 12 divided by 16. 12 divided by 16 is 0.75. Then, kunin mo yung 12 minus 0, so that is equal to 12. So the remainder is 12. So the result is C and E. Ayan. So kung hindi nyo masundan ito, meron naman tayong ibang process. Ang ginagawa ko kasi yung point mismo ang kinukuha ko para makuha ko yung remainder. Para hindi na ako mag-subtract dito. So ang gagawin nyo, for example, 206 divided by 16, the answer is 12.875. Ngayon si 0.875, i-multiply ko ngayon sa 16 para makakuha ako ng value na 14. Same with this one. So 0.75 times 16, the result is 12. Ayan. So the answer now is 206 base of 10 is equal to CE base of 16 in hexadecimal. So hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng 14 and 12 dito kasi pag 14 and 12 yan, parang decimal lang siya na ordinary. So, para ma-emphasize yung hexadecimal digit natin, we are using C for 14 and E for 12. Okay, so that's how we convert a decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, so let's proceed with octal to any number system. So to convert octal to binary, follow the steps below. So parang ganito, yung steps kanina parang i-reverse lang natin. So the octal or base of 8, numeral system has 8 possible value. So for each place value, below is the value of octal to binary. So we have this one. So bawat binary meron siyang bawat octal has a binary equivalent. So just like this one, basta 3 bits siya ha. So 3 bits 00, then 001, 010, 011, then 100. So dapat familiar kayo dito sa equivalent niya. Hanggang 7 lang naman yan. So it's okay. So get the binary values of the given octal per digit. So, dapat kabisado nyo na ito kahit para hindi na kayo titingin sa table. And then, read the answer downward. Okay, so for example, the convert 206 to binary. So, kunin mo yung equivalent ng 2, ng 0 at ng 6 into 3 bits. So, the equivalent of 2 is 0, 1, 0. The equivalent of 0 is all 0. Then 6 is 0, 1, 1. Then after that, after getting that one, pagtabi-tabihin mo lang sila. So, mauuna itong dito tayo mag-start. So, 0, 1, 1, 200, since 260 yan. So, ito, 0, 1, 0, ito yung mauunang ilalagay natin. Then, 0, 0, 0, ito yon. And then, we have 1, 1, 0. So, I think this is a correction. Should be 1, 1, 0. So, the answer is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 0 base of 2. So, that is the conversion of 206 base of 8 into binary. Ayan. Then, to convert octal to decimal, we will follow the steps. Get the given octal value and find the value of 8 to the nth power. Yan, we will raise the weight. Kukunin natin yung weight in octal. Multiply the given number to base 8 nth power. Then add the values. Yung may 1 lang. Then, so just like this one. So 6 times 8 raised to, so this, yung first digit, meron siyang weight na 8 raised to 0. The other one is 8 raised to 1 and then 8 raised to 2. So for the first one, 8 raised to 0, any number that is raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Then on the second digit, since this is 0, so any number that is multiplied by 0 is still 0. So wala siyang value, 0. Then here, we have 8 raised to 2. So 8 raised to 2, 8 raised to 2 is 64. 64 times 2 is 128. Then after that, we will just add 128 plus 0 plus 6. The answer is 134. So therefore, 206 base of 8 is equal to 134 base of 10. So yun yung medyo mas matrabaho lang yung pagko-convert ng octal to decimal because you need the weight of each digit or the nth power. Okay, how about converting octal to hexadecimal? So to convert the octal number, to binary, then read the binary number downward, then group into 4. So walang direct na conversion ng octal to hexadecimal. So ang kailangan mo is dumaan ka sa binary para ma-convert mo si octal into hexadecimal. Okay, so convert the binary number group by 4 to hexadecimal. Grouping should start from right to left. Then add all with positive values and or equal to 1. Okay, so for example, 206. So kunin mo muna yung equivalent ng 206 into 3-bit binary. Sa binary muna tayo. Okay, so 206, gawin mo muna siyang binary or octal. So we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 0. Then after that, we will just, we will rewrite 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 1, 0. After that, you group it into 4 kasi ang kailangan natin is hexadecimal. So, i-group natin siya into 4, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then, 0, 0, 0, 1, and then 0. So this is equal to 1, 1, 2, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1, 2, 4, walang value, then 8. So we have 8. So the answer is 86. So therefore, 206 base of 8 is equal to 86 base of 16. So they are, that is the equivalent of octal to hexadecimal. So, ulitin ko, para ma-convert nyo yung octal into hexadecimal, kailangan mo munang dumaan ni octal into binary. Convert nyo si octal into binary, then si binary into hexadecimal. Okay, to convert octal to hexadecimal, we will follow the steps. Okay, so, ayan. Tapos na ito. So, same process. Convert muna into binary and then convert binary into hexa. Okay, so let's proceed with hexadecimal. So, the hexadecimal or base of 16, number system has 16 possible values. So, ito yung 0 to 9 and A to F for each place value. Yan. Then, here. So, ito yung place value niya. It should be 4 bit. Yan. So, makikita nyo 4 bit bawat equivalent. So, get the binary value of the given hexadecimal per digit. Then, read the answer downward. And then, convert, example, convert 206 to binary. So, i-convert daw natin. So, si 206, i-convert muna natin sa hexadecimal. Or, si 206, i-convert muna natin siya into binary, 4-bit binary. So, we have 010, 0010, ito yon, 0000 here, and then we have 0101. Yan. Then after that, ayan. So, yan na yung conversion ng hexadecimal to binary. And to convert hexadecimal to decimal, dito naman tayo sa hexadecimal to decimal. So, parang yung octal lang kanina, gagamit tayo ng nth power. So, instead of 8 for the octal, we will be using 16 to the nth power. Yan, so medyo mas malaki yung value niya. So, here, this is the 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, and 16 raised to 2. So, kunin natin yung value niya. So, 6 times 16 raised to 0. So, 16 raised to 0 is equal to 1 times 6, that is equal to 6. Then, 0 yan. So, any number that is multiplied by 0, the result is still 0. Then, here we have 0, 1. This is 16 raised to 2. So, 16 raised to 2 times 2, the answer is 512. So, 512 plus 6, the answer is 518. So, that is the conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. And to convert hexadecimal to octal, follow the steps. Convert the octal number to binary. Read the binary number downward, then group into 3. Then convert the binary number group by 3 to hexadecimal. Then grouping should start from right to left. Then add all with positive values and or equal to 1. So, eto, kailangan mo munang idaan kay binary. So, the given is 206. Convert daw natin siya into octal. So, ang gagawin muna natin, i-convert muna natin si 206 into 4-bit. So, we have 0010, then 000, then 46 is 0110. Then, after that, pagsama-samahin natin sila. So, pag pinagsama-sama mo na yan, so mag-start tayo dito. 0110, ito yon 0110. Then, we have 000. Then, 0100. So, that's it. And then, after that, we will group that 1 into 3. Kasi ang objective natin is to convert that into octal. So, mag-start tayo dito, group natin siya into 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then another 1, 2, 3, then another 1, 2, 3. After that, kunin natin yung equivalent niya, yung octal equivalent. What is 011 in octal? The result is 6. Then, 100, the result is 1. So, then, puro 0 naman dyan, so we will just put 0. So, therefore, 206 base of 16 is equal to 1006 base of 8. So, parang ganito lang yung ginawa natin kanina. Kaya lang, pagkakaiba, kinonvert muna natin yung value into octal instead of hexadecimal.